Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video, we're gonna show you guys our brand new stackable raised bed. I bought it from Ergo. It's a wood panel system. It's plastic, but it's beautiful. So I'm pretty much excited about showing this to you guys. So if you guys stick around, I'm definitely gonna show you guys how to do it and show you how to stack it up. My system came today and I'm gonna open it and show you guys how to set this up. It's not very difficult to set up. Alright, it comes with two of these panels, like things. This system is brand new to me, but from the research I did, this thing is pretty strong. As you can see, this is about 10 inches in height from top to bottom, 10 inches. And you also can stack these. I'm gonna display that to you guys. I'm gonna move this to the side. And I'll put the first one together. So first thing you wanna do, let's take these bolts looking thing out. Very strong and durable. Thing about 10 inches long. Take them all out. Take them out, take them out. It's literally very simple to put this together. Literally like maybe 1 minute, you can put this together. All right, check it out, y'all. This is why I love these plastic garden bed. It's so simple and easy. No knock against the wood garden bed system, but I prefer to use these. They last longer than me. I used wood in the past and, you know, it'll rot in about a year or two. And I gotta re-get more wood just to change it out. See that, y'all? In about 2 minutes, this thing gonna be set up. See that? As you put it together, you just slip it in. See that? It's like a puzzle. Then you slip it in. Bang. So we come into the last one. Slip this one in. See that? Now, if you step back, you get to see this raised bed in all its glory. Guys, so if any of you thinking about buying a raised bed like this, I'm basically gonna give you guys the measurements of this bed, because when it's time to set it up and put it in your backyard, you know, you wanna make sure you have the proper space. So here we go. So across from panel to panel, you have about 37.5 inches. And inside of this thing, each panel is about 20 inches on the inside. See that? You got 20 inches for each panel, no matter where you go. They're all identical. So 20 inches on the outside is it's about 21.25. So you're good. And like I said earlier, it's 10 inches. You got it at 10 inches high. They have the little lip on the bottom, basically to lock in place when you want to stack it. I want to show you guys that little lip. See that little lip right here? It goes on top of the next one, and you lock this in place. It's pretty awesome. All right, put this back down. So basically, that's the measurement. So if you're thinking about getting a bed like this, you got to make sure you have the space. I made sure I had the space when I moved the arbor in a past video. You know, that's where I wanted to put this bed. And I think I mentioned that. This is the stackable bed I'm talking about. So all right, I'm gonna basically put the next one together and show you guys how to stack it. So this is the little lip. You know, you got a little 1/4 inch lip hanging out. So we're gonna put this one on top of that. Just to show you guys. You gotta make sure it clicks in. We're gonna put this out. You hear them clicks? That's what you want to hear. There we go. Got that one in. Gotta put a little strength to it. There we go. There we go. Alright guys, if you come see, everything seems to click in. Check this out. I could literally pick this up. See? Don't weigh more than 20 pounds. And it's perfect, you know, and it's very durable. See that? This is solid. So what I wanted to do for my garden, I wanted to stack this with 3 10-inch panels on top of each other just to build it up to 30-inch. And one of them, I wanted to have one of them at 10-inch and one at 20. So it gave me that nice effect, 3D effect, you know? So I have another one over there that I put together. So we're gonna stack this one too. See that? Here we go. Stacking continues. You gotta be a little rough with this thing. There we go. There we go. See that? You give it a little knock, and you're good. Nothing crazy. Once again, this whole thing, I got about 30 inches deep that I gotta fill with dirt. See that? I got 30 inches deep. I'm at the full. There's a lot of dirt. And it's easy to carry, look. Literally, guys. You can't beat this. Look at the effect. It got this beautiful wood-like finish. Look at this. Beautiful wood-like finish. And it's so durable. Rain, snow, no matter what. Just like my containers, the other plastic ones like that. I had these things for years. And look at them. They still look the same. Like I just bought them yesterday. And that's what I wanted with these stackable beds. All right, so we're gonna put it into the location we want to put it. All right, so you guys, you know, hang in there with me. All right, guys, so this is the location that we're gonna put the brand new raised bed. You guys remember this area? We have the arbor over here, but now we're gonna have raised bed for our vegetables and some other stuff we're gonna put there. We don't know yet exactly, but we want this location to look, you know, nice. And I want more space, like I stated, to plant more vegetables. So I'm gonna start moving these panels over there. All right, there we go. I like this over here, but I might switch this around. You know what? I want to switch this around. I think I might put the taller one over here and the shorter one over here. So we're gonna switch it. Gotta switch it now. I didn't really like how that looked. I wanna. Kind of dug the floor up a little bit, so this thing can stay level. You gotta have it level. I gotta double check on that. Yep, there go the motorcycle again. So that's that 3D effect I was telling you guys about. Check that out. That looks good to me. If you come close, this one I'm definitely gonna put that landscape fabric inside. I'm gonna make sure I put it in. See the grass? I'm definitely gonna put the landscape fabric. Because I'm bringing in a lot of dirt here. That's the 3D effect that I really wanted. Check that out. And it's in the corner, away from the kids. Of course, not away from Jax. You see him, he's right over there. But it's in the corner from the kids. Really happy and excited how this looks. Can't go wrong with this. Nice wood finish. Check that out, man. Just really like this. Alright guys, we're gonna wrap this up. I want to thank you all for watching our brand new race bed and always sticking through these videos with me. Thank you all, and keep sticking around. You're gonna see what we're gonna plant in these raised bed. And like I said earlier, these raised bed is, they're on the expensive side, but worth every penny. All right. Thank you guys. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in another one.